The goals of this workshop are, let me speak also this first part, just to be able to speaker. The motivation behind this workshop is coming from human-human collaboration, and the main idea is that humans are very proficient at collaborating in close proximity to each other. We have here just some simple examples. This happens at all levels of collaboration, both when they are sharing a task and they are collaborating to complete it, and also when they are working in parallel, but they are just physically co-located. And then the question becomes, can we have robots operate and perform in these scenarios? And usually the answer is no. There will be very few robots right now able to interact and work with people in a professional kitchen, in a recycling facility, in construction, or in a surgery room. And we decided to kick off this first workshop on close proximity human collaboration to explore the opportunities and also the challenges behind this idea. And we also believe there is a total gap in the literature in that human-robot interaction, and especially human collaboration, is usually an interaction that happens when the human and the robot are far away from each other, usually on the opposite ends of the table. That's what they refer to here as arm's length. So interactions are sparse in space, but interactions are also sparse in time because they physically interact together with not very often. And on the other spectrum, if you get closer to the human in space, you get all of the works in cooperative human collaboration, physical HRI, and so on and so forth. But also in this case, we believe that the robots are not taken advantage of, and the robot is not necessarily contributing to the efficiency of the team. And what we would like to do is to explore this space in which we have both dense workspace sharing and also frequent and concurrent interactions in time. And just to quickly conclude this kickoff presentation, we believe that this is a problem that affects all layers of robotics, from perception. So how can we perceive humans and obstacles in close proximity? How can we control in this space? How can we use how can we do motion planning that allows us to trade off safety, performance, to seek touch, and so on and so forth? So there is a lot of interesting research to happen in each of these columns, but most importantly, what is interesting and useful is how can this contribution contribute to the problem of human interaction and the problem of robots operating in human operated environments. So it's horizontal interactions between these components, vertical interactions between these components, and also outward facing interactions between these components and the broader field of robotics. So again, with that being said, I don't want to spend too much time because we have a great lineup of speakers. If you are coming, feel free to, guys. So I'm gonna just stop my presentation here, and please welcome Sami Eldin, professor of the HGU Munich and co-founder of Franka Emika, which is a great robot, and we have plenty of these robots in our laboratories. So please and welcome.